Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming compatibility and connectivity, then take the first actionable steps. On your Mac, open System Settings. On your iPhone, open Settings. Make sure both devices use the same Apple ID. This is essential for continuity features to authenticate. Turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on each device. Keep them near each other. Unlock the iPhone and keep it awake. Once done, look in the Mac app you want to use and prepare to select the iPhone as a camera source. Now you enable continuity camera in the app you're using. Open FaceTime, Zoom, or System Settings displays for camera selection. In the app's camera menu, choose your iPhone as the camera source. On the iPhone, accept any camera and microphone permissions if prompted. This lets the Mac stream video. Once connected, adjust features like center stage or desk view from the control center on the iPhone or from the Mac app's video settings to get the framing and resolution you want. To finalize, confirm the Mac app shows the iPhone feed and select it as the active camera. Start your call or recording. If the video is missing, quit and reopen the app. That often forces detection. For persistent lag or dropouts, move the devices closer, disable interference, or connect via USB if your Mac supports wired continuity camera. If nothing helps, restart both devices and sign out, then back into your Apple ID. This clears authentication issues and typically resolves stubborn connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.